25925 Telegraph Road in Southfield, Michigan. Look at that. There's an HID card reader. It's not on. Door's not even open either. But this is an office building off of Telegraph Road in Southfield. This is technically bank number 3, bank, because 2 banks there and then just this single one here. It's got Otis buttons, and it had that Vandal Resistant Dover button on the first floor. Now something that's interesting right now as well, 2, I believe, is typically locked on this elevator, but it is unlocked right now because there's a temporary lobby. Two is typically locked, which is why they have a card reader, because it's a private entrance. Couldn't really talk on the first floor, unfortunately, because of the vacuum, but I kind of do that now. Now, let's go to 4. It's got the older button. It's pretty cool. You can actually see the fan over there. Now we'll go back down. Older buttons, amazing. Temporary lobby. There's a cool call button. Okay, there goes that one.